I am going to start setting up a schedule um, and on in Adobe Express on the calendar in the Genesis Materials project. So under my stuff, I have uh, projects, and if I go to Genesis Materials, I can see that a calendar is associated. So I'll click on that calendar, and this is my calendar. And the calendar is connected to, I have it connected to a Facebook page, my Genesis Materials Facebook page. And this calendar is going to be where I drop in and schedule my content to be posted to that. And I'm doing that uh, by collecting the content that I'm going to post. These are all drafts on the left side, and once I uh, have a post that I want to schedule go through, I can go ahead and just drag this and drop it to wherever it's going to be. That is a day in the past, so that won't work. But I can drop that there and say I want to drop this one here, and then drop this one here. And you can see that these each have different times, so but you can go in and adjust what time it's at. So these are still drafts, actually. These are all still drafts as they're in here, but you can change the time over here. Say I wanted that to be posted at 12:58 a.m. and I could hit save changes, and you can see here at 12:58 a.m. Tomorrow morning. This draft is not going to actually go, but it would post there. And the posts that I'm doing are I'm just going to be posting tracks that I have on various media like Spotify, Amazon, Deezer, all that. Excuse me. But this is through DistroKid. That's where they're all coming from. So I'm just posting a link to the hyperfollow that DistroKid uses, and I'm going to have that posted different times during the day on that page. Uh, so I just wanted to go through how I'm doing that, kind of the step by step through, um, just to kind of show how easy it is. It's pretty straightforward, and using Adobe Express has been pretty pleasant once I figured out some of the stuff on it. So I am going in, and I'm all of these are the songs that I'm going through and copying the link and creating the post with. I don't remember where I was. Old McDonald had a yeah, that was the last one that I did. So I am going to hit back. All right, Old McDonald had a farm. Dr. Hennessy is the next one that I'm going to do. And I'm just going down to the hyperfollow link here, copying this. And this link is bringing us to this page here. And on this page, it brings anybody who's visiting to the place where they can listen to it. So you can hear this song on Spotify, and that brings it over to my Spotify page and the song. So then I come back into Adobe Express and select the channel, and I already copied that, so paste that in there. If I hit enter, it brings it down so the link goes. If I don't hit enter, that link doesn't pop up, or at least in this preview. So, and then this is what it's going to look like, the post. has the link and it has the little picture. Uses uh, the cover art that I chose for it when I published it initially. I can just hit add draft, and I'm gonna go through and do that with the rest of my songs. And I didn't realize how many songs I had to go through, and I've already put a fair amount on there, and I've got a fair amount to go. So that's gonna be how I spend a lot of my time. And these are all the ones that I've put in there. And once I get them in there, I'm gonna figure out where on my schedule uh, I want to put that to spread them out for marketing. So that's that.